know about a bird that, once it takes flight, doesn't touch the ground for months, or even years? This is the Wandering Albatross. They have a wingspan of up to 11 feet, making them the bird with the largest wingspan in the world. These birds can even sleep while flying. They can cover thousands of miles without flapping their wings even once. They use air currents to catch a kind of free ride, so their energy usage is almost zero. The world's oldest wild bird is actually an albatross named Wisdom. Even at 73 years old, she lays eggs and raises chicks. It is nothing short of a miracle. Could you spend your entire life out at sea? Let us know in the comments, and for more unheard stories like this, subscribe.